Today is August 7th and the crypto markets are looking extremely strong today as the global cryptocurrency market cap is up over 3% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum is trading at $38.50 and many altcoins in the top 10 are up over 5% in the past day. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the cryptocurrency space, some of the altcoins that we've been talking about continuously on this channel, some big news when it comes to tariffs and building here in America, and also we'll do a deep dive into what is taking place with Jerome Powell and when we should expect rate cuts. And if you could, before we start, just hit that like button. And now let's get into it. So first off, as I mentioned, cryptocurrency markets are ripping today. We're looking at a $3.83 trillion market cap for the entire crypto space. Bitcoin is currently trading at 116,500. ETH is trading right around $38.50. And keep in mind, ETH was trading below $3,600 at this time yesterday. XRP is hovering over $3, currently at $3.05. Solana is up to $170. And SUI is trading at $3.75, up over 8% in the past 24 hours. And if you guys follow me here online, I put out this tweet the other day and I said this pullback was always expected and the pump will return soon. And as you guys know, unless you're just investing today, July was a very good month for cryptocurrency. Many altcoins like BNB and XRP hit all-time highs. We saw a number of the meme coins in the top 15 hit all-time highs, and altcoins that have been lagging behind this cycle like Ethereum started to wake up. So obviously great news if you are a cryptocurrency holder, and although the first couple of days of August were not the best, I do believe that the next leg will be starting soon and we should see all-time highs for Bitcoin, a number of altcoins, and meme coins in the month of August. Now, most of you remember the tariffs that caused our markets to crash short-term back in April. Well, the deadline for a lot of those tariffs took place today, actually at midnight, and President Trump took to Truth Social to say this: "It's midnight. Billions of dollars in tariffs are now flowing into the United States of America." We have seen a nice rise in the cryptocurrency markets, and the S&P 500 is near all-time highs as it just hit all-time highs earlier this week. And one of the most important American deals that we have ever seen was announced last night. President Trump and Tim Cook of Apple came together to announce a $600 billion investment that Apple will be making in order to bring more manufacturing facilities here to America. Tim Cook announced that 19 billion chips will be made here in America at 24 different factories across 12 different states. All new Apple products moving forward will have American-made rare earth magnets, and they have already broken ground in Kentucky to build the world's largest and most advanced smartphone glass production facility that has ever existed. And I actually want to play a clip from their press conference yesterday because Tim Cook makes a very interesting statement.
This is for the first time ever. Every single new iPhone and every single new Apple Watch sold anywhere in the world will contain cover glass made in Kentucky.
So every new iPhone, every new Apple Watch will have glass that's made here in America from Kentucky. And as you guys know, these iPhones that we have here, I'm pretty sure like 99 to 100% is made overseas and probably in China. And obviously Apple is one of the largest companies in the world and definitely number one when it comes to smartphones and all of their products. So you can probably just imagine how much revenue and jobs and business this is going to bring here to the United States of America. So huge shout out to Tim Cook, Apple, and also a tip of the cap to President Trump on getting this deal done. Now, last piece of news I want to cover on this video is rate cuts, when we should expect them, and whether or not Jerome Powell will be the Fed chair when they do meet again in September. You can see here that Goldman Sachs, which is a $3 trillion asset firm, said that they expect to see the Federal Reserve cutting rates in September. And as you guys know, Donald Trump and Jerome Powell have had their fair share of differences. And this was President Trump's response when asked about Jerome.
We've also, we're looking at the Fed chair, and that's down to 4 people right now. Very good.
So it appears they're looking to replace Jerome, which I think and most people think is probably a good idea. And hopefully we get these interest rates cut, because when it does, I do believe the crypto markets, the stock markets, and the economy will boom like we've never seen before. So that is the video, ladies and gentlemen. Crypto markets looking good. A huge deal between Apple and the United States of America. And your update, who knows? This might be the last time that you hear me say Jerome Powell on a video or a live stream. If you guys enjoyed this content, make sure to retweet it, hit that like button, do all that good stuff. And as always, I appreciate you for watching, and we'll see you all on the next episode.